To set your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to block all spam and scam calls, open Phone app, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap Setting. Next, tap the gray on-off switch next to caller ID and spam protection until the switch turns green to turn it on. Tap caller ID and spam protection. Next, tap the gray on-off switch next to block spam and scam calls until the switch turns green to turn it on. And then select block all spam and scam calls. With this setting, now your phone will use Hiya to identify spam and scam callers as well as other callers who are not in your contact. So all calls that are suspected as spam and scam will be blocked automatically. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.